Good morning, friends. This is time for the trade plan for 26th of October 2021. Now, overnight, S&P 500 has closed fairly strongly and has closed at new highs. So, they are extremely good global cues today, and that works very well for us. And let me show you what the SGX Nifty or the more relevant, the November futures, which is trading now, uh, that shows you. So here, what is happening is that adjusted for SGX, this is about 40 points higher. So the SGX, you can, if you adjust, should be at 18,195. So here, what you can see is you are getting some kind of ascending triangle, and that means that there is a good chance that you see a recovery on the Nifty. Now, what happens is that on the Bank Nifty, you are now stretched on the upside, and on the Nifty, you are stretched on the downside. So, chances are that Nifty goes up and Bank Nifty consolidates. If you see yesterday, all sectors, including the mid cap space, they recovered strongly from their lows. The Nifty Junior at one point was down 1,000 points, closed lower by about 371. This IT space recovered from its lows. I think if you see, media recovered from its lows, particularly metals also recovered from the lows. Pharma had the best recovery. So you are seeing all these big wicks happening. So my sense is that today is a good day to look for buys in spaces other than Bank Nifty, because or the financials, because you have a kind of a zero to hero setup where market is way overstretched in on the Nifty, and what is happening is that you made lows on couple of days before yesterday, came back yesterday, you broke that low and came back again. So somewhere in this area you are finding a lot of support, and given the kind of global cues we have, a bit of short covering move is likely, given the amount of short positions we have. So the way to go about this, if you don't have long positions, would be that once we get out of this, yesterday's late day range, basically 18,200 thereabouts, this can lead to a short covering rally, particularly once 18,200 is decisively crossed. What is also happening is that every day we are gapping up, then we close lower. Now, on the downside, we are not going below 18,050. So the market may try to get out on the upside. So that way, I would think that today, tomorrow, somewhere in these 2 days, you could have a potential large upside move. So the plan should be that you should try to buy above 18200, keep a stop of about 100 odd points, and you could easily get a 1 is to 2 type of a trade here. On the pivots, 18,111 is the daily pivot on Nifty. 41,176 is the daily pivot on the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty today, you should expect some sort of sideways action. And again, Bank Nifty, the tendency is it consolidates and it breaks out, consolidates and breaks out. I don't see it going way into the negative, but definitely it could consolidate here. But now the big, dynamite is the Nifty, because given how overstretched it is, given that global cues are strongly in our favor, you could have a fairly decent upside traction, because a lot of shorts have been built up on the Nifty. And on individual stocks, I would back IT, metals, pharma, these sort of spaces today instead of the financials. So that should be it. I hope you can get targets of 18,350 on the Nifty, because once these short covering starts, it tends to move fairly quickly. So that is the whole idea of getting long above 18,200, and the sense would be that the shorts at 18,200 and maybe some at 18,300 also start to cover. So take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.